Hey guys, today I'm going to try cooking a couple of turkey thighs on my little Weber-Q gas grill. I found these two turkey thighs in the discounted meat section for $1.49. So what I did is I mixed up a bucket of brine and put them in the brine overnight in the refrigerator. My brine consists of half a gallon of water, half a cup of kosher salt, and a quarter cup of brown sugar. So I just put them in that brine. I just mixed that up cold. Put the whole bucket in the fridge overnight. So I don't know, they've probably been in there 15 or 16 hours, I guess. And I really haven't had a problem with stuff getting too salty doing it that way, but brining makes them a lot juicier. So now what I'm going to do is just season the outside with this barbecue rub from the J. Christopher Company, and then we'll go outside and put them on the little Weber-Q. I'm just going to put this whole tray on there. This actually is a toaster oven tray, toaster oven broiler tray, but I cooked some ribs on this the other day on that grill and it worked out good. So I'm just going to use this. This little grill is super easy to cook on, and so far everything I've cooked on it's turned out good. So we'll just turn the gas on and press the igniter, and I guess I'll turn this down to low, and we'll just get the turkey tray and all right on there, and we'll close the lid, and I'll just keep an eye on that. It's been 45 minutes and I just opened the lid to check these, and the skin's not really browning up very much, so I turned it up to high and I'm going to let it cook on high for a little bit. It's been on high for about 10 minutes, so these have been cooking about 55 minutes total. I'm going to start checking the internal temperature here. Dark meat turkey, you usually want about 175, so that's about 174. 168 right there. 165 right there. Okay, I'll let them go maybe 5 more minutes and then I'll pull them off of there. It's been about 5 minutes. Let's take a look. I think those are done. I'm going to get them off of there. Well, let's cut into one of these and see what the inside looks like here. Looks a little pinkish, but you know what? I checked the temperature. I think that's just the color of the turkey. Pretty sure. So anyway, let's try biting. That's really good flavor from the brine. It's really juicy, and I like the flavor you get from that grill. You get a little bit of a smoky flavor, but it's more subtle than like on the charcoal grill, but it's really good. There's Annie, the taste test dog. She missed the last video and everybody wondered what happened to her. Here you go, Annie. How is that? I think it passes the test. I'm not sure if I ever grilled turkey thighs before, but they're pretty good. See you guys.